Most people spend winter slowing down, getting comfortable, taking it easy. But not you. This winter, you're going to do something different, something powerful. You're going to disappear, not from life, but from distractions, from excuses, from the noise, from the people who drain your energy, from the habits that hold you back. Winter is the season where most people go into hibernation, but for you, it's the season of transformation. This is your time to grind silently, to build quietly, to work behind the scenes while no one is watching. No announcements, no attention, no validation, just focus, just discipline, just work. Because when you disappear, you start hearing the voice inside you, the voice that believes, the voice that pushes, the voice that knows you are made for more. Winter is where champions are built, where minds are sharpened, where habits are forged, where weak versions of yourself are destroyed. This winter is not about surviving, it's about evolving. While others are sleeping, you'll be learning. While others are wasting time, you'll be investing time. While others talk, you will act. And when the world finally sees you again, you won't be the same. You'll walk differently, think differently, move differently. Because you didn't just survive the winter, you used it. When spring comes, you will reappear, and they won't recognize you. They'll ask what happened. They'll wonder how you changed so fast. They'll think it's luck, but you'll know the truth. You disappeared. You put in the work. You sacrificed. You transformed. You became unstoppable. So disappear this winter. Lock in, grind, grow, heal, improve. Become everything you know you can be. And when you reemerge, you will be a force no one saw coming.